Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve numericals from the exercise 1.4. This is the first question of it. And this is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus. So first question is evaluate, and we have to write answer for all these things. In my previous videos we have discussed the division on integers and all the properties regarding division. If you have any doubt in that, please check the description. I have given the videos link in the description. Here first is minus 30 divided by 10. So this is going to be something like this. 30, this is minus divided by 10. So here the simple division will give us answer 3. And this 3 will be minus because this one integer is minus. So answer is minus 3. In division, whenever the numerator and denominator both are negative, our answer will be positive. When in division, either of the numerator or denominator is negative, our answer will be negative. Either A is negative or B is negative, our C will be negative. These are only two possibilities are there in division. So you have to see that if denominator and numerator both are negative, then our answer is positive. If one of them is negative, then our answer is also negative, because here negative will become plus, here negative positive will become negative. This is the thing, and we have to remember this. Now here 50 divided by 5, so answer is 10, but here one integer is negative, so our answer will carry negative sign. 36 divided by 9, so this is something like 36 divided by 9, and both are negative. Both integers are negative, so our answer is going to be positive. So 4 is the answer and plus 4 is the answer. Now 49 divided by 49, minus 49 divided by 49. When the number we are dividing with the same number, we will get 1. And when either of the integer is negative, our answer is negative. 13 divided by this term. So first we have to solve this term. So here 13 divided by, let us solve this. So minus 2 plus 1. It will give us minus 1. So 13 divided by 1 is 13. And one integer is negative, so our answer is minus 13. Now here 0 divided by minus 12. Any integer when you are dividing with 0, integer is in denominator and 0 is in numerator. 0 divided by any integer will give us 0. Now here we have to first solve this term. So in G, first we are solving this. So minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. This minus will become plus. So it will give us 31, but it will carry bigger number sign here. So answer is minus 31. Now 31 divided by 31. Something like this. 31 divided by 31. So we will get here 1. And both the integers are negative. So our answer is plus 1. Now H. So here we have to solve this term. So minus 36 divided by 12. This term is like this. So here we know that 3 will come, and 3 will be negative because only one integer is negative. So from here we got minus 3. So now minus 3 divided by 3. So we will get here minus 1. 3 divided by 3 and one integer is negative. So our answer will carry negative sign. Now I. So minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So first we are solving this two term separately, then we will divide this two term. Minus 6 plus 5. So here we have to do subtraction. So we will get 1 and answer will carry bigger number sign. So this is answer from this term divided by, let us solve this, minus 2 plus 1. So subtraction we have to do. So we will get 1 and it will carry bigger number sign, minus. Minus 1 divided by minus 1. It is something like this. Minus 1 divided by minus 1. So we will get 1 and that too a plus 1 we will get, because denominator and numerator both are negative. So minus minus will become positive, so answer will be plus 1. Exercise 1.4, question number 2. Here we have to verify that a divided by into the bracket b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c. So these two terms are not equal to each other. That we have to prove for the given values of a, b and c. And in a they have given a equals to 12, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 2. So this value we have to put in this, and we have to show that left hand side term is not equal to right hand side term. So let us first write this term, a divided by b plus c, and here we will write the right hand side term, a divided by b plus a divided by c. Now let us first solve this. So here we are putting a equals to 12, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 12. So when we are keeping this value into this, we will get 12 divided by b is minus 4. So minus 4, I am making this square bracket, then plus 2. Now let us solve this. 12 divided by this, first we have to solve. So minus plus will become minus. Here we have to do subtraction. So 4 minus 2 we will get 2 and it will carry bigger number sign, minus 2. When 12 divided by 2 we will get 6 and denominator is minus, so answer is minus 6. Now let us solve this. So here you can write statement also that when we are keeping the values of a, b and c. So here a equals to 12, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 2 we are keeping. So 12 divided by minus 4 plus a. So 12 divided by 2. At the place of b we have put minus 4, at the place of c we have put 2 and at the place of a we have put 12. Now let us solve this. So first we will solve this and this. So 12 divided by 4 we will get 3 and that too minus because our denominator is negative, plus 12 divided by 2 we will get 6. Now 6 plus 3, but this is minus, so this will lead to subtraction. So 6 minus 3 will get 3 and it will carry bigger number sign, so it will be positive 3. Now you can see here, this side we got minus 6 and this side we got 3. So here we can write that hence it is proved that a divided by into the bracket a plus b is not equal to this right hand side term. That hence it is proved that, and then again this equation you have to write here. Second question, in which a equals to minus 10, b equals to 1 and c equals to 1 is there. So just like earlier we will keep all these values of a, b and c into this. So here while keeping a equals to minus 10, b equals to 1 and c equals to 1, we will get here minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1. Here let us solve this first. So minus 10 divided by 2. So 10 divided by 2 we will get 5 and this is minus, so our answer will be minus. Now here when we are keeping a equals to minus 10, b equals to 1 and c equals to 1. So let us put all the values into this. Minus 10 divided by 1, this is 1 bracket, plus minus 10 divided by 1. So we will solve this 2 first. Minus 10 divided by 1, so it will be 10 and that too minus 10, plus minus 10, here also minus 10 we will get. So here minus minus will become plus, so we will get 20 and that too it will carry negative sign, so minus 20. Here also you can see that Answer from both sides is not equal. So hence it is proved that A divided by B plus C is not equal to A divided by B plus A divided by C.